Hi guys, in this video I just want to walk you through kind of how you can create interactive lead magnets, especially if you've got Google Sheets that you'd like to kind of link in and kind of show calculators all of the value. So I'm Hitesh, I'm the founder of OpenRead, a complete lead magnet solution. Please like and share kind of this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, cool. So we had a request from a client saying, Hitesh, how do we actually, or is there a way rather to embed spreadsheets into our lead magnets? And the simple answer is yes. So if you've got a Google Sheet, which is kind of used for clients as an audit, like this client here, or you've got a calculator, there is a really easy way to embed it. So if I go to the Google Sheet here, if you go File, Share, Publish to the Web, and then what you want to do is grab the embed code. So it's this piece of code here. This actually then creates a live link to your Google Sheet. So if you want to copy that, back to OpenRead, you then want to drag and drop HTML editor. So I'll just do that here to show you. And then you want to copy and paste the code here. And then what you can do is you can tweak the height and sort of size of the widget too. But let me just show you this one here. So I've added the height and the width as well. So if you hit save, then if we go to the front end, as you can see here, we've got a Google Sheet which is fully interactive, which allows you to share even more value and kind of do a lot more than a PDF would do. Let me know your thoughts on this if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.